Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install IPA files on iPhone, iPad using Feed Assigner iOS. So with that being said guys, let's get started. So the first step is to download the Feed Assigner app. Install the app from a trusted source or the official website on your iPhone or iPad device. The second step is to obtain your IPA file. Make sure you have the IPA file you want to install saved on your device or in a cloud storage service. The third step is to launch the Feed Assigner app and grant any necessary permissions to access your files. The second last step is to import the IPA file. Tap the plus button to import your IPA file. Select the file from your device or cloud storage. The second step is to sign and install. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign the IPA file with your Apple ID. Once completed, the app will be installed on your device. By following these steps, you can easily install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad using Feed Assigner. Thanks for watching, guys.